Hello and welcome to another video. If x plus y plus z equals 0 and x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed equals 0, prove that x equals 0 or y equals 0 or z equals 0. Here I will show you two methods. The simplest way is of course using the factorization of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz, which is this. Please check the video on the top right corner for derivation. Since x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed equals 0 and x plus y plus z equals 0, we have 0 minus 3xyz equals the entire right hand side is 0. Therefore xyz equals 0, which of course means x equals 0 or y equals 0 or z equals 0. Proof complete. So this is definitely the simplest method, but what if we do not use this formula? Here we start from x plus y plus z equals 0. This gives z equals minus x plus y. Substituting this into x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed equals 0, we have x cubed plus y cubed minus x plus y cubed equals 0. Here we can either expand x plus y cubed or factor x cubed plus y cubed. Hell, let's do both. If we expand x plus y cubed using this formula, we have x cubed plus y cubed minus x cubed minus 3x squared y minus 3xy squared minus y cubed equals 0. So we only have this part, which is minus 3xy times x plus y equals 0. So we have x equals 0 or y equals 0 or x plus y equals 0. And here this x plus y equals minus z, from here. So we have x equals 0 or y equals 0 or z equals 0. Or if we factor this x cubed plus y cubed using this factorization formula, then we have x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared minus x plus y cubed equals 0. So x plus y is the common factor. So we have x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared minus x plus y squared equals 0. Expanding this part, we have minus x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. So this and this gives minus 3xy, then times x plus y equals 0. Therefore, we have x equals 0 or y equals 0 or x plus y equals 0. And since this is minus z, we have x equals 0 or y equals 0 or z equals 0. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And I will see you in another video.